Students, today we are going to learn about the operators in Java. So now, what do you mean by the operator? An operator is a symbol that operates one or more arguments to produce a result. For example, we have taken like a plus b. So now, plus, that is the operator, and a and b, these are considered as operand. Got it? So Java provides a rich set of operators to manipulate a variable. Next, operands. Operands are the values of which operators act upon, like numeric variable, non-primitive variable, any primitive variable, reference variable, literal variable, array element, and character primitive. So numeric variable, that is an integer, float, or character. Any primitive type of variable, that is a numeric or boolean. Reference variable, that means object. Literal, that is the numeric value, boolean value, or string, that is we have already seen. And array element, that is the a of 2. A, that is the name of array, and 2, that is the size of array. Next, character primitive, which is numeric operation, is treated unsigned 2-byte integer. Next, types of operator. We have already seen the types of operator. We have just orally seen, right? Assignment operator, increment decrement operator, arithmetic operator, bitwise operator, relational operator, logical operator, ternary operator, comma operator, and instance of operator. So these are the types of operator. Now we are going to learn in detail. So first, assignment operator. Assignment, that is the name suggests, to assign the value, that is a variable equal to expression. So a equal to 2 and b equal to 5. So assigning the primitive value, that is called as a assignment operator, equal to a equal to 2, b equal to 5. So now, as in reference, whenever we are going to assign the value like this, home 1 equal to new home. So home, that is the class name, home 1, that is the object name, new, that is the keyword to generate object, and home, that is the class name. So this is the syntax of new object created. Now home 2 equal to home 1. So assigning the reference of home 1, that is into the home 2. Next, increment and decrement operator. Plus, that is called as an increment operator, and minus, that is called as a decrement operator. So increment and decrement operators add integer variable by 1 or decrement by 1, right? Integer operators, 2 successive plus, decrement operators minus. So increment and decrement operator, plus and minus, a equal to a plus 1. So shorthand, that is a plus or plus a. A equal to a minus 1, that is shorthand a minus or minus a. So now the example of increment and decrement operator, that says we have assigning the operator variables j, p, q, r, s. So these are the variables j, p, q, r, s, j equal to 5, then p equal to j plus j. So j equal to 5. Whenever you are going to like a successive plus j, then first increment the value and then print. Then j equal to 5. So now become the value of j, that is a 6, and that will be print. Next, q equal to j plus plus. So whenever you are going to select the postfix j plus plus, so q equal to j and then increment the value. So mind well, whenever the plus plus j, then you have to increment first, then print. And j plus plus, then print the value first, then increment the value. So now the value of p, that will be print as a 6 plus 5 plus 1, then print. Now q equal to j plus plus, so first the print the value. So here the value of j, that is a 6. So as it is, that will be print as a value of q 6. Now j equal to what? Now j equal to what? Then j equal to j plus 1. So 6 plus 1, then that will be become a 7. So j equal to 7. Now r equal to minus minus j, that is a decrement operator. So same as it is, that is a decrement first and print the value. So r equal to 7 minus 1, that is called as a 6. So 6. Now s equal to j minus minus. So s equal to j and then j equal to j minus 1, that will be value of s, that is the 6. Next, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator are used to construct the mathematical expression in algebra. So they are operand to be numerical type. Okay. So these are the types of operator. First, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulo, increment, assigning the addition, assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, then division assignment, then modulo assignment, then decrement. So these are the types of operators of arithmetic. The next simple example of arithmetic operator we have seen. These are the variables j, k, p, q, r, s, t, and we have to assign the value of j, that is a 5, and k, that is the 2. So now we are going to perform the arithmetic operation plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulo. Then p equal to j plus k, q equal to j minus k, r equal to j into k, s equal to j divide k, and t equal to j modulo k. So now 5 plus 2, 7. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 into 2, 10. 5 divide 2, that is 2 2s are 4. So value of division, that is 2. And 5 modulo 2, then you will get the remainder, that is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder 1.